friend. I'll show you model, a sample for you. Okay, this is your sample. Cable with 87 case, white one, and a little heavy because the cover is metal and with battery inside, so it's a little heavy. But the feeling is very good. And the white color is very nice. Okay, here is a USB-C. The USB-C interface, and this is the cable. And here is the switch for the Bluetooth. Okay, I switch on, and I will turn off the light and show the RGB light for you. Okay, a moment please. Okay, I will show you the RGB light. This cable. Okay, come on. Many models, many models. So many models for this cable. Okay, it is the RGB light for you. Okay, thank you.